Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Grubhub, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Grubhub, begin by visiting the Grubhub website. On the home page, look for the sign up button. Click the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Next, create a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign Up button again. You will then receive an email verification link. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from Grubhub. Click on the link provided in that email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Grubhub website. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Become a Driver section. Fill in your personal details, including your name, phone number, and zip code. Next, provide your vehicle information if you plan to drive. Grubhub allows deliveries via car, scooter, or bike. Read through and accept the terms and conditions. Proceed to upload any required documents, such as your driver's license and insurance. Once all documents are uploaded, submit your application. You may receive a notification confirming your application status. Wait for a review of your application from Grubhub. If approved, follow any additional instructions to complete your setup. Once set up, download the Grubhub driver app from. Open the app and log in with your registered credentials. You are now ready to start accepting delivery requests with Grubhub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.